Join us for our last week in northern Queensland as we visit Wallaman Falls and enjoy the beaches.
We decided we're gonna go walk the Kennedy walking path early this morning and hopefully get there by sunrise. Some of the kids don't want to go. We made it. We had to run a little bit to get here in time for the sunrise. It did not disappoint, but we are hoping as well that we will be able to see some kangaroos because last time that we walked this beach, there was kangaroo markings, so that's why we also came here for the sunrise.
We learned how to fly the drone and it was fun.
Is it hard?
No, super easy.
But bring it in close and then you can actually see how your controls affect it.
We even got to see kangaroos on the beach. We enjoyed spending more time at the beach.
What happened?
He was throwing a stick and it had a big back part poking out, and he was holding it wrong and it just went scrape across him.
Where are we going? Wallaman Falls, which are, I don't know.
South.
How far of a drive do we have? 2 hours.
2.5.
What did you just have done?
I just got a breathalyzer test to see if I was drunk at 8:30 in the morning.
Just a random check, right?
Yeah.
We haven't
Just
had that yet.
Pulled you over on the side of the road and gave you a test.
It's a new day and we have drove 2.5 hours to come to Wallaman Falls.
Wallaman Falls is the largest single drop waterfall in Australia with a height of approximately 882 feet.
I'm not as afraid of heights anymore. The waterfall is huge.
Was it worth your drive?
Yes.
What do you think of those falls?
They were huge. I think they were pretty impressive.
You have to talk to me. What?
We hiked the path to the base of the falls.
It might look easy, but it becomes steep and rough halfway down. We got this. What do you guys think about this waterfall?
It's sweet.
How was the hike?
Fine.
Fine.
On the way down.
Yeah.
To be determined on the way up.
TBD.
Pretty easy though. What's this place called? Wallaman Falls.
What do you guys think?
I like it.
It's really pretty and cool.
Yeah.
You like how big it is?
Yeah, I like it big.
You filming me, filming you? What'd you think, Colin? So we're hiking back up. It only took us, I think it took you and I 40 minutes to get down, but it's all uphill. So it's probably gonna take us a little bit longer to get back up.
The way up is steeper than the way down.
Almost to the top, but I'm so sweaty, so sweaty.
2.28 miles total. 946 feet elevation up. Total time 57:25. So we did 28 minutes down, 29 minutes up. Pretty good.
What hike has been the hardest?
I think this was the hardest,
Yeah.
Me too.
just because it was steep.
Yeah, up.
It wasn't long, no. You agree, Brooke?
Yes.
Mego, how was your hike?
It was good.
Guess what? What?
The hardest part was actually the very end where it gets paved.
No.
No.
You thought that was the hardest?
I thought that was the hardest.
We hit 28 minutes down and 29 minutes up.
Oh, so I hit 35
Up?
up, and I hit 40 down.
I think I was actually faster on the way up than the way down because I was beating you guys.
Well, and Mom was leading the pack on the start of the way up, so
Yeah.
we could have been even faster.
What is it, Colin?
A giant lizard.
So it's our last full day in this area, and of course we have to come to the beach before we say goodbye to this location, but it's been wonderful. The beach is so calm today. It's really nice. Colin, what was your favorite thing this month?
Clamshell Falls
Why?
because it has the best swimming and it's not the coldest.
You don't think it's the coldest?
No. You get used to it faster.
You didn't mind the hike up there?
No.
What was your
I
favorite
don't
thing?
know my favorite thing.
Well, what were your favorite things then?
The Great Barrier Reef with all the dives. Or Eddie Way with the cassowary.
What was your favorite thing?
I think tonight's tide. I really liked Wallaman Falls because they were so big. And
Yeah.
then the hike down was pretty fun. And up. And then I liked Clamshell Falls with Eddie Bay with the cassowary. So like that whole day. I say I also like Bingo because you can find the shelldoys there. And we couldn't find them anywhere else.
I like Mission Beach because it's really big and it's a big beach. And I like Josephine Falls because they had a slide.
Yeah, those were fun too.
You guys forgot about those and the boulders.
What?
And I like the Clamshell Falls because they're really pretty. I thought it was really fun. I like the cassowaries and the swings.
I don't don't know what my favorite was because we did a lot of things this last month. My favorite fall was actually Wallaman Falls. The only bummer is that you can't swim at it. If you want a beach, Eddy Bay, just because you also, so you have everything. There's some waves, good beach. You guys like to play in it. And the sand was good, but also you get the cassowaries. So that's probably my favorite beach that we did.
Bye, Bingo Bay House.
Okay.
Where we're headed?
The airport.
Perth.
I had to make a stop at the beach for my sand collection. We stopped for a dinner, late lunch, early dinner, before heading to the airport. We had some more time before we needed to head to the airport, so we decided to walk around Rusty's Market.
We are inside Rusty's Market, but we're at the tail end of when they're open, so there's a lot of stalls closed. Definitely a great place to come get some produce.
We arrived in Perth late, so we got our bags and rental car, then drove to our new place for the month. Stay tuned for next week as we explore Perth, Australia.